This is my first grounding for our Ruby and Timmy for Rainbow Butterfly Unicorn Kitty. So enjoy. Man, I hate this school vending machine. All the products are disgusting. The products are gross. Yuck. And how come for this there, Miguel, get one of these products like this one after school every time? I wish I have soda in this vending machine, like a good teachers get. I got an idea. I will go find a staff real soda and buy some. Yes, the soda vending machine. I found it at a teacher's lounge. And yes, it sells real soda. Let's buy something. Okay, what soda do I want? I want to get the original Coca-Cola. Yes, I got the soda vending machine. And oh no, it's Principal Charge Checker. I'm so busted. Timmy for Rainbow Butterfly Unicorn Kitty. I saw footage for the security camera that you used to stop vending machine. Did you? Well, you'll be really mad, but yes, I did. Oh my god! Timmy, I cannot believe you used staff vending machine. That's it. You will be suspended for 5 weeks. Go home right now. While I contact Felicity, Miguel, Abidma, and Fiona about this. Get out! Timmy, I cannot believe you use a stop vending machine! Do you? What? Into school teachers only? But the food products on this student vending machine tastes awful as hell. You're grounded until I shook it. Everyone to a new home. You already want ticket to go there now. I agree with Felicity, Miguel, and Avina. Go there now.